What's up, gang? Another day, dog. Another day. So much shit going on for this trip, and your boy still ain't packed nothing yet. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to really go through the wardrobe, boy. Shit just crazy, boy. I tried to put on some shorts real quick, so I go up here, see Cindy get this hair done. Man, I couldn't even fit them, bro. I couldn't even fit them. I was like, damn. Either I grew or my pants is shrunk. God damn, bro. I swear I can't fit shit. I said, boy, you gonna have to have a salad when you get to Paris, nigga. You ain't can't no meat, nigga, no bread. No, salad, Bobby, or whoever, Frenchie. I'm gonna need a salad, my nigga. Hold the fries. Nothing French. Give me a salad. Give me French dressing. You know what I'm saying? No French fries. Give me French dressing. Cause damn, I got on some jeans now, some shorts. Nigga didn't even need a belt. You know that's bad when you don't need a belt. And the body just holding it by itself like, I got this. Just walk, I got this. Oh no, bro. I can't do that. And I ain't wore no pants in a minute either. Man, suck it in, bro. I'm gonna have to get the waist, the stretchies, dog. I feel it. Straight die when I come back. I'm telling you, bro. Straight die. So, besides that, super sadness. On my way up here to do something to this, you know, this look of mine. Cause shit, I'm flying out tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go do some other stuff before I get ready for this trip. That's crazy. But that's just the lifestyle, that's how I go. So I actually I ain't telling y'all where I'm going. Y'all gotta subscribe for that shit. They just keep giving y'all away stuff. No. Y'all gonna have to wait till the next video to see where I went. What else I had to go do. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's still a beautiful day. I gotta wash some clothes up, man. I gotta pack this suitcase. You know. Today's about me, man. So you know what, hell with the work. I'm not going. Today's about me. I gotta get some of me done. This BMW. That's nice. Yeah, I gotta get some things done for me. That's what that's about. Gotta take time off for yourself, dog. Get everything done. Get yourself situated. All bills paid. I gotta call my phone company. Tell them I'm gonna be on the trip because I need service. I can't have that. And I gotta call my credit card companies, man, to let them know what it is too. Cause I can't be out there. I ain't got no access to no bread, bro. That would hurt. Just out there, just broke. Then I'm up. You know what I'm saying? Starving like Marvin. I can't be doing that. So that's on my notes today. And I think that's about it, man. This is an update vlog. That's all this is. I don't think I got no new content coming. I don't think so. I probably do. I just got a lot going on. So I may go shopping today. I might hit the mall. I hope I don't have to, man. I hope I got a few things. It's 4 days. I hope I got enough I think I do. Because my winter game was always on point in the loop. So I think I got enough stuff that I don't have to go buy nothing brand new. I did buy a thermal though. I think it's red or maroon or something like that. But I bought one of them just to go with this vest I got. I kind of wish I had some boots, man. I really want to do tennis shoes. I know we're going to be doing a lot of walking, though. We're going to be doing a lot of walking. So that's a good thing about these trips, man. You go on these trips and you dress right. You can get some exercise in as well as you get to see a lot of stuff, too. That's a cool thing about these trips. One thing I wanted to mention, for anybody who got questions on the trip, you want to know something in detail, like, damn, man, how did you know where to stay? Was things expensive? How much money did you bring? You know what I'm saying? Those type of questions, feel free to ask me whether you want to do it on the vlog. I'll vlog about it. You know, I really don't know what you want to know. You know, of course we're gonna see the Eiffel Tower. Duh. You know, that's not my biggest thing. That's something she really want to see. I just want to see what the lifestyle is like. I just want to see what that's about. Just being there, and it's not. I'm not gonna be there long enough to really soak it up to get the idea. But then I got some kind of idea what it is to be in France, because you know when you think about Paris, you just think, oh, Eiffel Tower, they speak this different language, and the money currency is different. I really want to see what it's like, you know, the feel and to wake up every day. This is what this is what they deal with. Hopefully we not in I did a little research, but you know how things always change. You're not in a crime area. You know, I can't wait to see what they newscasts look like. You know, the little things, man. The little things. That's what I enjoy. I'm a scenery person. We both are scenery people. And we into sculptures, we're into art, poetry. That's just stuff that we be on. And we don't have to do a lot. You know, sometimes for us being lit is just learning something and having a new experience. That something you can take home and educate yourself with. Might do that. By the way, man, I gotta take Lil Man to New York. For some reason, he thought that Philly was New York the whole time we was there. I didn't really get to put that on the vlog, man, but I definitely gotta get him. Definitely gotta do it in New York. I've been there, we've already been there, but I gotta do it again for him. I'm thinking we'll do like a 2-day thing situation. Probably get there Friday night, hang out all Saturday. Saturday night, kind of check that out, and then Sunday, you know, come back on home. Like a little weekend event. So I'm gonna try to squeeze that in before the year's over with. You know, take them to New York, you know, or something like that. If I can't, shit, we just do it next year. But LA is up for next year. Big trip. I want to do another cruise. These are things I'm throwing out there in the future because I'm gonna choose one. I also got hit with the opportunity of going to the Philippines. Shout out to Dingdo. That's my partner. He always schooling me. Shout out to Eddie. You know who you are, Fly Gang. He always schooling me. Just came back from Sydney. You know, like I said, I rock with all them people, man. They be trying to school me on different locations and stuff, and that means a lot, man. And anybody else I forgot, you know, also Crazy Man V. Make sure y'all follow, like, subscribe. You know, he just came back from Republic, you know, DR, Dominican Republic. He always telling me how that lifestyle and culture is and things like that. And that boy getting real fluent with the Spanish. So, like I said, today is just me getting all my stuff together, me packing my clothes, seeing what I can wear, what I can't wear. You know, that's pretty much it. Because we tourists and things like that, I'm not bringing no jewelry. I'll probably bring the earrings, maybe a pair of shades, but yeah, I don't really wear chains like that, and the chains I do have, I'm just not gonna wear them. I don't need that, you know. I got my girl with me, and I really don't, you know, I just don't want the headache, man. I just, you know, somebody being on the come up. This ain't on that. You know, jewelry just really ain't my big thing no more, but this last thing you want is somebody trying to snatch your shit. So, without further ado, I'm finna, I'm actually almost here. Finna get something done to this hair, get myself looking right, and then, got something I want to say. Well, I'm gonna hold that, man. I'm gonna hold that. You know, let me stretch this vlog out a little bit. I'm at 9 minutes. I'm gonna end it right here. Yeah, I still got a big surprise. I still got a big something going on. But I'ma wait though. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Know how y'all is, boy. I tell y'all one thing, y'all took it somewhere else. I'm like, damn, nigga, if I was on that, you know what I'm saying? Y'all sure fucked that up. Good thing I'm not. Boy, sometimes you gotta throw one out there just to see. You gotta skip a rock just to see how far that motherfucker gonna go first. Then you be like, alright, okay. Or maybe that's a bad analogy. Maybe you gotta throw a rock in the water and see how far that motherfucker go down to see how deep the water is. How about that? Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this one in the bag first before I release what I'm really finna do. Cause a lot of y'all think y'all know, and y'all don't know. You think you know, but you don't know. You ain't got no idea. Shit. I'm gonna blow everybody mind all at one time. Kaboom. So again, I'm still living. Enjoy. We living. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.